We're going to
Tagaytay.
Hello, John.
Foggy! Foggy! Foggy, foggy!
Kanina, foggy. Ngayon, rainy. Foggy, ano na? Go! You're always on my mind. Wow! Smile, guys! Smile! Hello! He's here! My Joby is here! Hey, say hi! Hi! Welcome to the Philippines again! We're going to
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay! 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 Let's go! Hello! Hi!
Hi, Wag. Welcome to the guys.
Hi! Hello!
We're here na! Skyranch ka na, girl!
Yes, hi.
1, 2, 3. Let's go! Sa inside out. Hello, John! Nag-TikTok. We're here at Skyranch.
Hi.
Foggy! Foggy! Foggy, foggy!
Hi, hello. Toto.
Hello guys! Welcome to the vlog. Welcome! Vlog!
Wow! Guys, it's so foggy. Grabe, hindi ko na makita yung Ferris wheel kasi it's so foggy. Oh, it's so nice. We're enjoying. So cold.
Cold ba? Cold ba?
Yes!
Katay ka na naman.
We're enjoying. Are you enjoying? How was it so far?
So far, so good.
Yeah. So, kanina foggy, ngayon
Rainy. It's raining.
man, hallelujah.
It's raining, man.
Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi!
Yeah. Nagsaot? Fog na gid siya. It's foggy.
Foggy. Foggy.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Foggy. Sige kayo na, foggy.
Foggy, ano na? You're always on my mind.
Isa namang lalaki. Isa.
Nautisan. Okay. Sige. Paano, Bani? Mo na. Isa pa. Last. Practice. Peng! Anong Tagaytay?
Naging mermaid.
Doro, buti Giovanni.
Exercise.
3, 2, sunod. Giovanni! Go.
Just tungkol.
Forward. Ghost. Kaya wala tao. Oh no. Wow.
Toto nga shot sa babang. Wala naman ito ibang bansa.
Let's go! We're gonna ride a
Yeah.
coaster!
Roller coaster.
Yeah.
The roller coaster is giving.
Giving what vibes?
Oh my God.
Okay.
Kinakatalo.
Woo! I'm so excited.
Ang poster.
Wow, coasters! Let's go! Let's ride a coaster. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready?
Hi guys. Kasi ang ganda of jet.
Oh my God! Oh my God! was it? How was it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good, good. Joby. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Wow, what a view. Look, nice. Yes.
Nagdagdag niyo?
Bye. It's so nice.
Para buhatan lahat.
We're going. Are you hungry?
Me, yes, I want to eat bulalo because it's so cold.
Wow. What do you think is the temperature?
22.
Wow. Aircon.
Yeah, aircon.
Aircon yard. Yes. How's your experience in Tagaytay so far?
The Tagaytay is
Amazing.
kind of.
Char! We're gonna go to Mahogany Beef and Bulalo Market because we're gonna eat
Ano yung
bulalo,
Mahogany?
guys. Yes.
Hindi ko yung man.
Pero I don't know why they called it Mahogany Beef Market. Why? You research it. Why?
Hindi.
Why they called it
It's not mahogany.
See ya!
Bye, guys.
Walking in the streets of Tagaytay with my
Tubi.
Chubi! LDR no more. Cause Chugi is here. Chugi is here. Hi. See ya. We're gonna eat no sa Mahogany Beef Market. Yes! Guys, look at that. There's a lot of food stalls. Lots and lots of restaurants to choose. But we're going to Mahogany Market because it's popular and affordable. Yes! We're here at Mahogany Beef Market, Bulalo. Like a tic-tac-toe. Let's go! Okay, so na sila. Amen. Let's eat! Wala na ito. Oh, really? Yummy, yummy.
Yum.
Yummy, yummy. In my tummy. Good, good, good. Hello! Kamusta ang food, Tito?
Ayos gini.
Yes.
Busog na busog.
Busog na busog. Yes.
Tabok na, Loy.
We're now going home. Hi. Hello guys. It's currently, what time is it now? 7:56 p.m. And naabutan na ng gabi sa Tagaytay. But they spent well? Ano?
Day well spent.
Well spent day. What? That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Have a good life.